and welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, meron tayong gagawa ng product review. So ang product na i-review natin ngayon is from JC Premier. Ayan. Kulang ng isa dito kaya hindi ko pa siya mapapakita kasi actually nainom na namin siya. Naubos kasi nung umalis kami noong June 11. Ayun. Ang dami namin uminom and sabi ko talaga na masarap talaga. So ano nga ba yung JC Premier? So it is a direct selling organization whose global presence includes branches in Dubai, Taiwan, and Philippines, as well as business centers in Hong Kong, Malaysia, Oman, and Singapore. It specializes in high-quality products formulated from the best ingredients in the world, which could help individuals lead healthy, balanced lifestyles. Its health and wellness products are made from natural and organic materials, while its beauty and personal care items are developed using the latest technology. So, unahin muna natin yung coffee na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Nagustuhan ko talaga yung lasa niya and nagustuhan din siya nila Daddy. Kung pupuntahan mo yung kanilang website, ang dami talaga nilang binibento. Mga personal care, mga health, pang health and wellness. So, of course, ilalagay ko naman sa description box below yung link ng JC Premier and kung saan kayo pwede mag-shop. So, unahin muna natin itong kanilang kape sa Primo. Ayun, hindi ko siya mapakita sa inyo. So, ipapakita ko na lang yung photo ko. A quality product of JC Premier Business International. Ang kanilang kape sa Primo. It is an 8-in-1 coffee mix. So, sa isang box, meron siyang 20 sachets. Kape Primo is an 8-in-1 sugar-free coffee mix which contains coffee powder, tongkat ali, agaricus mushroom, ginseng, ginkgo biloba, and omega-6. Coffee aggregates or increases hypertension, but this coffee mix is combined together to enhance hormonal balance, focus, and stamina against mental fatigue and physical exhaustion without aggravating hypertension. Ang daming benefits ng Kape Primo nila. Ito, it helps improve hormonal balance, anti-aging, fat burner, for skin protection, good for the heart, good for people who has diabetes, it gives energy and strength, it helps regulate blood pressure, it helps fight osteoporosis, it helps lower blood pressure, it helps absorption of calcium, relieves rheumatism, dyspepsia, boils, and diarrhea. It helps promote healthier blood sugar level, helps very good weight management agent by suppressing appetite. So, nakakapayat din pala yung coffee nila. Hindi ko alam yun ba? Naubos na siya. Isang sachet lang yung nainom ko kasi nagustuhan talaga ng lasa ng mga tita ko, ng mga ni Daddy. Yun, naubos na siya. And, ito, in Kape Primo, you will look younger, blooming, and slimmer. Sobrang daming benefits ng Kape Primo and masasabi ko masarap siya. Kasi sugar-free siya, kaya gustong-gusto din talaga siya ng tita ko, ni Daddy. Kasi sugar-free siya and masarap talaga siya. And hindi lang siya masarap kasi marami siyang benefits. So, yung Kape Primo is only 270 pesos and meron na siyang 20 sachets sa isang box. Next naman ang kanilang Premier Green Tea with Psyllium Husk. So, again, this is a herbal dietary supplement powder. Ayan, matatry ko na talaga to. And let's see. Hindi ko pa talaga siya nabubuksan ever. Pero check natin kung ano yung ano niya. Ang dami din yung benefits. Grabe. So, Premier Green Tea is an organic green tea that accelerates the body metabolism in order to help in weight loss and digestion. It has green extract, psyllium husk, yerba mate which contributes to good digestion. So, yung kanilang Premier Green Tea is only 350 pesos and ang nilalaman niya ay 10 sachet box. So, babasahin ko muna yung kanilang benefits. So, of course, it helps increase metabolism and weight loss. Helps reduce the risk of arthritis. Helps reduce the risk of cellular damage. Reduce inflammation. Helps control blood glucose. It helps reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. It helps promote healthy skin. If you want to know more about this product, ilalagay ko sa description box below ang kanilang shop and ayun, para malaman nyo pa yung iba pang benefits. As in, kasi sobrang dami. Etong Premier Green Tea nila hindi lang for weight loss and meron din for heart disease, arthritis, diarrhea. So, ang dami pa ring benefits. And this is only for 350 pesos and merong 10 sachets. So, let's see. Kasi hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan. So, ayan. So, ito. Ang kanilang Premier Green Tea. Ayan. So, sa loob ng isang box, meron siyang 10 sachets. And it is best taken before meals. So, yung direction niya is pour Premier Green Tea in the mug. Pour 200 ml of cold water. Stir and drink immediately with another glass of water. Parang pa-juice type yung kanilang tea. Kasi, ang usual na tea na iniinom ko yung naka-tea bag. Ayan. So, good thing hindi pa ako kumakain. And, ngayon ko palang titikman itong green tea. So, kumuha na ako ng 200 ml na water. So, sabi, unahin muna yung green tea. Pero, inuna ko yung tubig. So, ayan. So, ito ang kanilang Premier Green Tea. And, ipo-pour lang siya. Siya malasahan kasi bagong toothbrush ako or wala talaga siyang lasa. Pero, pag inamoy mo, may kalamansi talaga siya. Pero, hindi ko alam kasi kung ito talaga yung lasa niya, kung wala talaga siyang lasa kasi nga bagong toothbrush ako. Pero, hindi masama yung lasa niya. Ang ina-expect ko kasi kapag mga tea, masama yung lasa niya. Pero, itong kanilang Premier Green Tea, hindi masama yung lasa niya. Okay, next punta naman tayo sa kanilang personal care items. And I have here, actually tatlo to. So I have here 3 K-pads and from JC Premier. So lahat ng products na pinapakita ko sa inyo, galing siyang JC Premier. So ito, unahin muna natin ang kanilang K-pads. K-pads day. So kaya K-pads day kasi for day. For day siya, yan. Yung nakalagay na for day. And kapag naman for night, edi K-pads night. Ano ba? Anyway, ang kanilang K-pads is the first anti-dysmenorrhea napkin which has anion capabilities that embedded negative ion strip, can increase energy, enhance immunity, regulate, lessen heavy periods, balance hormones and moods, and kill bacteria causing odor. It also has 8 layers to prevent any leakage during heavy menstrual period. So it helps reduce irritation and removes odor. It helps accelerate oxygen circulation in the private part. It helps release negative ions. And it can absorb and hold liquid from 120 to 150 ml. So, ang cute kapag ina-open mo tong K-pad. So, hindi mo siya kailangan i-tear. Meron siya dito para i-open mo siya. Para siyang para siyang, ano ba? Ano bang tawag dito? Ala, anong ginagamit? Para siyang, parang siyang wipes. Yung opening niya. Ang galing. So, alisin lang natin tong sticker. Ang galing. Ang galing. Ang bango! Para siyang may amoy mint. Ayan, so meron siyang 10 pads sa loob. And ano to? Oh, ang galing! So, kung hindi ko pa siya bubuksan, hindi ko malalaman. So, wala ata siyang nakalagay dito. Wala siyang nakalagay dito, pero inside, meron siyang meron siyang 30-second tester vagina health self-test card. Ang galing! So, hindi ko alam kung paano gumamit ito, pero ang galing niya. Kasi meron siyang ganito sa loob. Sana ini-include nila sa loob na meron siyang free tester. Ang galing! Na-amaze ako kasi meron ganito. Parang may little gift sa loob. So, take a small amount of vaginal fluid using a cotton bud and smear it over the indicator strip. Wait for 30 seconds and compare the result over the control scale to get an overview of your vagina's general health condition. So, hindi ko siya pa mabubuksan kasi hindi ko pa naman siya gagamitin. So, ang galing lang. Ang galing kasi may libre. And also, meron din pala ditong nung pinagkaiba ng tatlo. So, merong pang day, 240 mm. Ang night nila, mas mahaba kaysa sa day. So, ito ay 280 mm. And yung kanilang liner is 155 mm. So, paras may wings yung kanilang day and night. So, iniisip ko ano ba yung difference ng pink, ng blue, and green. Yung pink pala ay, itong pink for day, ang kanilang blue ay for night, and yung green naman ay kanilang liner. So, i-check yung loob kung lahat may ganun. Liner. Ang bango, parang talaga mint. Yung kanilang liner, walang laman. So, yung liner nila, yung kanilang liner, 30 pads yung nasa loob. 30 pads yung nasa loob. So, yung price niya, kaya ang price niya ay 180 pesos ang kanilang liner na meron ka ng 30 pieces na pads. While ang kanilang blue ay itong K-Pads Night nila. 148 yung kanilang K-Pads Night. Tapos yung pink naman, so 158 ang kanilang K-Pads Day. Gusto ko rin i-check tong blue kung meron din sa loob. So, sa blue, of course, meron din siya, ayan, meron din siyang vaginal health self-test card. Ang galing. Itong mga product na pinakita ko sa inyo from JC Premier, hindi pa ito totally yung lahat. Ilalagay ko yung link. So, yung mga sample products na meron available sa JC Shop, so, meron din silang, wait, basahin ko. So, meron din silang mga 4 green food supplement na capsule, Calvit C, Glutafit, organic barley capsule, Good Leaf na instant coffee, Omnifit, Omni White Koji, and so on. As in, sobrang daming products sa JC Premier, and I will put the link below, yung link ng shop ng JC Premier, para makapag-scroll and check din kayo. And of course, I would like to thank Ate Ann for sending this JC Premier product. So, yung coffee and green tea pa lang yung natatry ko. Hindi ko pa natatry yung sa mga K-Pads, and first time ko magagamit yung K-Pads actually, and I think very life-changing kasi nga, lalo na ako na I have irregular periods and I have heavy flow din. So, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button to keep you updated. Thank you!